Hello guys, how you doing? I hope you're all well. Welcome back to another episode of Uncharted 2 Among Thieves. If you have enjoyed these games so far, please do let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to hear what you guys think. If you guys have any suggestions for games for me to play or what you would like to see me play, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will go and attempt to get those games so you can see me play them. If you haven't already, please do hit the subscribe button. That would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get cracking.
Well, here we are.
Now we just gotta find the right temple.
Well, that may be easier said than done.
No, tell me about it. Maybe we can... Oh, bingo. There it is.
That's the one.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
The one in the middle of all the gunfire and explosions.
Lucky us.
Nate, that's right where Lazarevich is camped. I was hoping we'd be headed in the opposite direction.
Well, desperate times, right?
Drake has been spotted in Sector 18.
Oh, crap. Any chance this is Sector 19?
Sweep the city, find him, and take him out.
Son of a bitch. All right, time to go.
Come on, Nate, let's get moving!
Sorry guys, that took a minute for the cutscene to hit. I don't know why. It was kind of bizarre actually. That's never happened to me before.
Damn it. How the hell do we get across?
Oh yeah, I remember this bit, and it's kind of stupid what he does there. Considering
Oh god, be
how
careful.
far down this is.
Holy shit.
Oh boy. Dude.
Here, I've got you. Give me your hand.
Just go!
Crazy.
Right behind you, go!
Can you jump? No, jump! No, jump forward! Thank you, Jesus. You can jump. Stay here for a second. Holy shit. Whoa!
Yeah, never better.
Wow, this is a strong sofa. And a strong desk as well.
Show yourself! Accident! You're dead!
Are you? Yeah, here's a little thing, guys. Watch what happens if I go to the left.
No, not the elevator.
Good point! You're finished! Bring it on! What the hell are they doing?
This isn't good.
Because I think you want to know what I'm doing.
Crap! It's going down! Jump!
I jumped. I should have jumped and I jumped,
Coming at you! What the hell are they doing?
This isn't good.
Crap! It's going down! Jump!
We were almost in that.
Okay.
This way, come on.
Should we try down? Okay, no, there's no way down. I thought there might be a treasure down there. Right.
Guess we caught this hotel in the down season, huh?
Come on.
Right, hang on, so you can joke about almost being in that fucking wreck. But she can't say that.
We'll see about that. Oh boy.
Take out the guy.
Kid, he got wet. Show you! Oh, out of ammo!
Come on. Gotcha.
A bridge. Sweet.
Yeah, tell me about it. The resistance fighters built this get across the roof.
Lucky for us.
This is actually the closest you'll get to a sniper rifle game. Sniper rifle without it actually being a sniper rifle.
There we go. That'll come in handy.
You're all right.
Coming at you!
I thought I took out all three then. Three. Oh well.
Nate, look out!
Whoa! This guy doesn't give up! Get down! That's what I'm talking about!
So into this crap.
No! Oh, grenade launcher here somewhere. On. still! Why is my camera still? Oh, give me 1 second. Sleep there, it's fine. Until I move. For God's sake. Talk out of nowhere. And you.
Okay, lower the bridge.
That was hardly worth it. That was hardly worth taking the camera off for, but oh well. But oh well, let's go. Oh, West 44 was open that. Where was that?
Hey, that wire. That's our way down. Go, go.
All right, all right.
I've got a feeling this is a badly wrong thing.
No, crap!
Yep.
You okay?
Oh, God, that hurts. Oh,
Why is it shit always goes wrong?
I'm gonna find another way down.
all right.
Well, yeah, you're not coming down this way. Trust me, it fucking hurts. Right. That looks like the yeah, that's the helicopter. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Uncharted 2. I've enjoyed the game immensely so far. It's been very fun playing it through again. It's been a long while since I played through this game. This was actually one of the first games I played through on the PS3, I believe. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.